my name's Taylor Goodwin, or Dr. Goodwin. I first heard about RC Auto when I was moving to Tulsa from the Oklahoma-Arkansas border, and I called a whole bunch of places, and this one had the best reviews, and I liked what I saw.
How would you describe your experience with RC Auto Specialists?
Honestly, it's been pretty great. I worked with them. I really like that they send you photos of everything that they're working on, and that they also send an email or a text that has everything that's wrong with your car, color-coded by how bad it is or how good it is, how much it costs, and I can review that at my own leisure instead of being pressured by time or occasionally salesmen. And that was enough that I really was happy to come here. But the last thing that was really awesome, they've offered free rides to and from, which as a single car family makes a really big difference. So keep coming back.
And last question, would you recommend RC Auto Specialists and why?
Easily. All the things said above, and their prices are pretty on par, maybe 5% higher, but I know I'm getting way more than 5% extra quality. Apparently they used to mostly work at dealerships, and then they came here when they didn't want all the paperwork of that. But whether or not that's exactly correct, that's my understanding, and I've gotten that kind of quality out of it, so I believe it.